Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to go to next line in ChatGPT. For that, first of all, you need to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type chat.openai.com. Once you are on ChatGPT, you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now once you are on the home page and once you click on the new chat, if you start typing anything in this message, let's say I type hi, and if you press enter, then your written prompt will automatically be taken by ChatGPT. But let's say in this message box you want to go to the next line, then instead of pressing enter directly, you will have to press shift. After that, you need to press enter. Once done, you will be able to see that you are now in the next line. If you want to write after anything in this second line, then you can type it and then press enter. So that was it for this video. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.